Dear students, in this video, we are going to construct a triangle ABC whose measurements are 6.5 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 4.5 centimeters. We need to construct a similar triangle to it, which is 4 by 3 of the given triangle ABC. Now look at this fraction, children. Whenever you get a question on similar triangles, to construct a similar triangle to the given triangle, you need to look at this fraction. Now 4 by 3 is greater than 1. So the similar triangle which you are going to construct is an enlarged one compared to the given triangle. Now let us start constructing. Mark a point A and B at a distance of 6.5 centimeters and join them to get the line segment AB, which forms the base of the given triangle. Now with A as center, 6 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. With B as center and 4.5 centimeters as radius, draw another arc intersecting the previous one at C. Now join AC and BC to get the triangle ABC. Now we need to construct similar triangle to it. So let us mark a point X and draw a ray AX, making certain angle with the base AB. Now look at the fraction, children, 4 by 3. So we need to decide how many arcs are to be marked on this ray AB, AX. So look at the greater number out of these two, 4 and 3. Yes, it is 4. So we'll be marking 4 arcs at equal distances on this ray AX. Take some convenient radius and start marking arcs. Take A as center and some convenient radius as convenient radius and just mark the arc on the ray AX. Mark the point of intersection A1. Now take A1 as a center and the same radius. Mark the point of intersection A2. Repeat the procedure to get A3 and A4. As we are taking the same radius, we are getting these points A1, A2, A3, A4 at equal distances on the ray AX. That is A1 will be equal to A1, A2 will be equal to A2, A3 and finally that will be equal to A3, A4. Now, which point to be joined with the point B? That will be the question. Next question. Now, look at the fraction again, 4 by 3. What is the denominator? 3. Yes, you will be joining the third point which you have drawn on AX with B. So, let us join A3 and B. Now, draw parallel to A3B passing through A4. Observe, children, the point will be outside of the line segment AB. So we'll be extending it. We'll extending AB to AB1, which forms the base for our similar the triangle which we are going to construct. Now draw parallel to BC passing through B1 and mark the point AC. C1, join AB1, B1 C1 and okay, let us join AB1, B1 C1 and AC1. So A, B1 and C1 is our required triangle, which is similar to the given triangle and is the enlarged version greater than the given triangle. Thank you, children.